Good morning, students. Today we are here with our grammar chapter, and today we are discussing about determiners. Determiners, as the topic is indicating, determiners are the words used before nouns to indicate the person. क्या indicate करते हैं? Or the thing we are talking about. They indicate about the noun about whom we are talking, about whom we are going to discuss. They are indicators of that noun or things. Now we shall study about the parts of determiners. Determiners are categorized in several parts, and first of all we shall discuss about articles. They are of two types: definite and indefinite articles. You might have read all these things in your previous classes. These are a, and the, in which a, and are called indefinite article. They are used before the nouns or the things that are single in unit and they have no relevance previously, while the is called a definite article which indicate the person, the thing that is definite in its formation. A is used with the nouns that are starting with consonant sounds, and an is used with vowel sounds or vowel words. So it is difference between a and the. A and an and the is definite, which is universally used with the things that are universal in formation, or the thing that is used second time in a sentence. To emphasize that noun, we use the. There is a cow on the road. The cow is grazing. So the is used to indicate the cow that is previously accorded there, that is previously mentioned in the sentence. So we shall not go in the depth of these articles, as you have read these articles in your previous classes well. Now second point that we are going to discuss is demonstratives. Demonstratives are this, that, these and those. This. It is singular in form and it shows the present formation of the things. Whatever is present, whatever is single in unit, that is this. This boy is very intelligent so this is indicating the boy that is very intelligent, that is showing the quality. So we may say in other words that determiners are the words that can be used as adjectives also, that is indicating the noun, that is telling the quality of noun, that is determining the quality of noun, that is emphasizing what noun we are talking about here. So this and that is again the single in unit, but it shows the past position of the person or the thing. That incident is memorable one. That is the incident that has happened in past. So that is indicating past tense or the thing at a distance that is not present here. Now come to these. These are plural in unit, and again it shows the present or the things at nearer. Again, those are plural and in past. प्लूरल फॉर्मेशन को दोनों ही शो करते हैं. ये हमारा प्रेजेंट पोजीशन एंड ये हमारा पास्ट पोजीशन को in the same way as this and that were used. These girls are good singers. So these are in plural and in present formation, and these are indicating to the girls that are in present form, that are near to us. So now let's move to our third category, that are possessives. Possessives, as the word, as the name is indicating, possessive shows the possession over the things. Whatever possession we are having over the thing, you might have used, or certainly you have used my, his, our, your, their, and these can never be used single. These are always used with some noun. My school is superb. My school is superb means my is indicating school. My is showing some dignity, some quality of a school, and there is no relevance of my without school. That's why it shows here, it is used as adjective. So it is showing about school. It is telling something about school. It's showing some emphatic reaction or some style over the school. In the same way, we can use all these in our sentence. Fourth one that we are using, ordinals. First, second, third means that shows position in a sentence. Position in series. If we have series of 20, if we have series of 30, if we have series of hundreds, what is the position of the noun? That are ordinals. Order क्या है उनका? क्या उनका sequence है? He is the first person to enter the class. To enter the class. So what is the order? What is the sequence? First person. He is the first person to enter the class. So ordinals show the position in a series. A series of 50 boys, 30 boys are there. Ordinals show the position, the sequence, whatever it is. In the same way, you can use second, third, fifth and 15, whatever the sequence, whatever the persons are. Fifth is cardinals. That shows number only. 1, 2, 3. Whatever the number we are having with us, whatever the number we are possessing, whatever the number we want to show in our sentence, in our series. 1, 2, 3 or 100, whatever the unit you want to use here. I purchased 5 books from the shop. So this 5 is cardinal number. This 5 is the number that we have purchased, that we have with us. So we can use all this in the same way. Next is interrogatives. Interrogative determiners are also used to indicate the same noun, things, place, or whatever we are talking lively here. Interrogative. And the words that we used here, what, whose, which, that denote noun only. Not, we cannot use here where, we cannot use here whom, we cannot use here when, because they are not counted as noun indicators. They are used as adverb indicators here, adverb interrogatives. So we have to use whose, what, and which. Which book do you want from me? This book is indicated by which. कौन सी book? Which book do you require from me or do you want from me? Whose purse is this? Which boy has secured 95% in the class? So, to identify the noun, to dignify the noun, to indicate the noun, the interrogative that we are using are which, you, whose, and what. These are, or what color. If we say what color? What color do you like most, or which color do you like most? Both are appropriate in sentence. What color or which color? कौन सा कलर, क्या कलर आपको पसंद है? What. Next we shall say quantifiers. Quantifiers. These are also counted in determiners, just as much, more, many, few, little, several, a lot, both, enough, quite. These are quantifiers. These are quantifiers which we shall study in our next video. For today, this is all.